Different types of IPRs. One is the copyright, trademarks, geographical indications, design, popularly known as design patent, semiconductor, IC layout design, trade secret, and plan parade. So we talk about each one of them. What is the copyright? Copyright is an exclusive legal right granted to creators on expression of the idea. So, registration is not mandatory for copyright, but it is always recommended to have if any conflict exists over there, later on in the later part. So, if you write any article, you can copyright. For example, if you write a small joke, that can be copyright. So, many times in our IIC manuals, how many copyrights you are having? You create a joke and you copyright it. That is also considered as a copyright. So copyright is a very simple thing, and even your assignments can be copyrighted. And if somebody copies your assignment, that is a violation of the copyright. So if in a class one student writes an assignment and he copyrights it, later on you will find not many violators of the copyright also. You can catch them and later on sue them. So it is next on the lighter part. What can be copyrighted? Software can be copyrighted, artist